All right, I warned you. I was coming back, and here I am. Another My Monday Morning Prep. My name is Troy, and you're probably watching this on a channel called New Gun Nation and wondering why I have a tool bag next to me. This also looks a lot like my range bag, but it isn't my range bag. This is my new Manly. Can I say Manly? Is that still politically? That's probably not. I'm calling it Manly. This is my Manly Lunchbox. And part of my preparedness deal is to get healthy. Because if you're not healthy, you're no good to anyone. It sounded really harsh, sorry. So you gotta prepare and like bring your lunch, otherwise you're gonna end up eating Taco Bell and you know it. So what I did is I just took a tool bag and I took some of this foil that you could also maybe suntan with. I mean, that would get a little raise off the, Anyway, I cut a piece, I'll drop some film in, footage, not film, footage. But I cut a piece of it out and I dropped it inside this thing and made myself a little lunchbox. And along with my lunchbox is a whole bunch of water, because you're supposed to drink half your body weight in ounces. So I'm trying to drink 3 of these. It's like 40 ounces, 120. Don't do the math, I'm heavy. But I'm working on it. So anyway, that's my Monday morning prep. Like I said, some of these are not gonna be sexy. They're just gonna be like getting her done. So this is week 1 of doing the right things for myself and my family. And I just wanna encourage you to do the same. Get off the couch, stop watching this video. Boom.
New Gun Nation. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with somebody that could use it.
Okay, so I'm on my way into work. I just finished recording that video and I realized it's kind of harsh. And if you didn't know me, especially at the end where I'm like, get out the couch, you'd be like, man, that guy's kind of a jackwagon. Here's the deal. That message was for me. This whole thing I'm doing with preparedness and getting healthy and is all about freedom. I also know that I need to be healthy and I need to take care of myself. So this video is more about me kind of talking myself through what's going on. So anyway, I'm almost to work. You guys are probably doing whatever, but just keep doing what you're doing and moving in the right direction. All right, blessings. Don't drive and video record yourself.